My channel name is Travel and Design because I have a passion for travel and design. To me, travel, not only exploring landscapes, also symbolizes the journey of life. Within this journey, the concept of the home holds immense importance. A home is a place of belonging and serves as a sanctuary during our travels. Today's society, rising housing prices have led to an increase in the population of renters and higher rates of relocation. The overcrowding in urban areas has led to a continuous reduction in the size of indoor living spaces. In order to demands of the modern, I have been striving to design portable furniture. Through continuous research and improvement, aim to make it lightweight, move easily, and enough to bear the weight. Additionally, it can be easily cleaned when it gets dirty. In addition to standard configurations, this furniture system can further through the purchase of existing accessories for modification. I am inspired by the concept of IKEA hacks. Creativity and simple tools can be utilized to create unique furniture pieces. Moreover, many furniture designs are no longer limited to large living spaces, as they can be achieved even in small areas or even inside tents. Based on these principles, I will share a few instructional videos for reference. The first one is Swivel Cabinet. 1. Why make a swivel cabinet? The reason I want to use Qcomb to create a swivel cabinet is that during my time studying, I rented apartments for an extended period. The rental spaces were extremely narrow and often lacked storage areas. I remember seeing a swivel cabinet at IKEA in the past that had different functionalities on all 4 sides. However, I couldn't purchase that particular cabinet back then due to its high price, and now it has been discontinued. Qcomb is a modular storage furniture that can be assembled. With its square shape and magnetic connectors, it can be joined together on all 4 sides. I want to use Qcomb to replicate and recreate a similarly functional rotating cabinet, aiming to restore and revive the essence of that discontinued piece. Design concept. Taking from the IKEA swivel cabinet, the front side will provide storage space, the back side will feature a mirror, and there will be additional hooks on the side. I use 30 by 30 by 30 cm Qcomb boxes to design a storage cabinet by stacking Qcomb vertically. Not only reducing the footprint but also gaining more storage space. I bought a rotating swivel stand online, which allows the side and back of the boxes to be easily accessible through rotation. This enables Qcomb to have functionality on all 4 sides. Refer to IKEA, the front side is for storage purposes, while the back side features a mirror. Considering the practicality of dismantling and reassembling the future moves, using a large piece of mirror is not ideal. Therefore, I bought mirrors with dimensions matching the Qcomb boxes, measuring 30 by 30 centimeters, online, taking into consideration the eye level height when using a mirror. I stacked 6 Qcomb boxes together, reaching a total height of 180 centimeters. To increase the functionality of the hook, I utilized a grid panel. I used the grid panels to securely attach hooks, which magnetically adhere to the top of the boxes. The reason for selecting a grid panel is that it allows for adjusting the number of hooks. Additionally, grid panels can be paired with various accessories for different functional applications. There is space on the side of the boxes, can like to add extra functionality to it. As a product designer, I often need to record some inspiration. Adding a chalkboard functionality to the side of the swivel cabinet, I can down my ideas at any time. It can also serve as a memo board to record important schedules or tasks. By attaching cork panels to the side of the swivel cabinet, I can use it to pin photos and postcards. It can also serve as a convenient spot to pin bills or important documents. By bending the grid panel into a U and securing them with cable ties, additional storage can place some magazines or books. By stacking and combining the boxes, not only can I meet larger storage needs, but also have more room for creative thinking. This transforms Qcomb into a multifunctional storage system. With a complete concept in mind and the awaited online purchases arriving, I can now begin working on making the swivel cabinet. Process DIY. I will secure 4 30 by 30 cm soft mirrors to the back of the boxes using foam adhesive, and use suitable materials available at home that can serve as a blackboard. Attaching it to the side. Then cut the cork sheets to the appropriate size, and glue them on the opposite side of the blackboard. Next, I will fix the U-shaped grid panel to the box using zip ties. If the length of the cable tie is not sufficient, you can use 2 sections to extend it. excess length of the cable tie can be cut off, creating additional storage space for books or magazines. Then, attach hooks to the grid panel and place it on top of the box, utilizing the magnetic properties of the box to hold the grid panel securely in place. It will be convenient to hang items such as keys or umbrellas. The purchased turntable needs slightly larger than the boxes, providing better stability. To prevent the boxes from falling off the turntable, I attach a layer of wood above the turntable. This wood board serves as a stable foundation for securing the boxes. I use screws to firmly attach the boxes to the wood board, ensuring that they do not shift during rotation. Next, stack the boxes on top of the already fixed box. During the stacking process, I noticed that the boxes were slightly tilted. To ensure safety during use, I found some magnetic flakes to make adjustments. These magnetic flakes can adhere to the magnets between the boxes, allowing me to adjust the horizontality of the boxes. To further ensure a stable and long-lasting connection between the boxes, I used cable ties to reinforce the securing process. I threaded the cable ties through the accessory holes, pulled them tightly, and fastened them in place. When I arrange things neatly inside the rotating cabinet, my room looks tidier and my mood becomes more pleasant. No more lost keys when I hang them up upon returning home. I can also use the blackboard whenever needed. Clever design lets achieve so many functionalities in a small space. This design is both simple and practical, suitable for any size of space. The magnetic modular furniture provides convenience and flexibility for my storage needs. During the process of making this, I have drawn conclusions. 1. When space is limited, utilizing rotation to present different functionalities can effectively save space while increasing its flexibility. 2. Through imitation and redesign, we can use a simple approach to recreate discontinued or expensive furniture, as well as our own ideas. Presenting these furniture pieces or concepts anew, it brings us new design perspectives and possibilities. 3. The production process inevitably encounters some challenges, but with some ingenuity, we can overcome them. 4. The key to creating a multifunctional revolving cabinet lies in the combination of different systems. By utilizing elements such as a rotating swivel stand, mirrors, and grid panels, we can enhance the functionality and usability of the revolving cabinet. I found the process of transforming simple boxes into a piece of furniture to be incredibly fascinating and challenging. Through continuous replication and redesign, I aim to explore more applications and combinations for Qcomb. I will continue experimenting with different furniture compositions using Qcomb. Welcome your suggestions for furniture combinations in the comments below. Let's explore and create more exciting furniture designs together.